We have our repair center in EMEA, which is located here in Westhausen in our facility. We are taking care of all the Cleco products. We guarantee our customers a turnaround time from 8 days. Every tool will leave our facility in a new condition. So our final test is the same as we do with our new produced tools.
Our key products are Celtec, spindles, global controllers, where we cover the global demand. And in addition to that, we have also corded tools like Neotech, where we have production in Lexington and Westhausen.
Our repair technicians are specialized and trained on the tool families we provide to our customers. Our team is not located only here in Westhausen. We have our facility and our service team in Hungary and Győr as well, where we are supporting our customers in eastern part of Europe. So they take care as well of our repair and service and training of the customers in the Eastern Europe part. And we here in Westhausen take care of all our customers in the rest of Europe.
This plant is very close to the main car manufacturers. Yeah? Like here in the region we have Stuttgart. Stuttgart is the headquarter for Daimler, and also Porsche is in the near. We have a plant from Audi, and Munich is also close. Munich we have the BMW. VW is more in the mid and the top of Germany. Let's say we are the heart of the Germany if we consider the landscape.